Hello guys, I just gonna show you this amazing product. It's an ice pure Undersink water filter system. These products come with a high efficiency filtration and reduce the chlorine and over 20 contaminants in the water. Isn't it great that it's not only that, the bad taste and odor, the sediments, rust, and impurities on the water. This made this filter perfect to put in your home. It's easy to install. It's made with premium materials like the coconut shell and the activated carbon black to ensure efficiency and safe filtrations. And it's BPA free. It's come with an easy installation kit, and if you're not a very handy person like me, when you see the installation instructions, it's just take 5 minutes to install. It's gonna be ready because it's absolutely pretty easy.
Now we're gonna try the water because I'm already installed my Undersink water filtration system from Ice Pure. So let's see. Well, this actually tastes so much better than the bottled waters. Now I don't have to buy a lot of that plastic bottles. Now I only just gonna get water from here. So I just can't wait the moment that I buy one of these for all the parts of my house.